St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Mathematics by Richa Garg. Lesson number 2, Long and Short. Page number 17. First question. Have you heard about marathon race in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathon on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to dash kilometer. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash round. So children, people take part in marathon and run on the road because the track in the stadium where people run is only 400 meters. So now they are asking 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to how much kilometer? So children, 1 round is equal to 400 meter. So 10 round is equal to how much children? 400 into 10, you will get 4000 meter. So now you have to change 4000 meter into kilometer. So 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So whenever you want to change kilometer into meter, so you have to multiply it with 1000, and if you want to change it into meter to kilometer, then what will you do children? You will divide with 1000. Okay. Now the next is, if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash round. How much round you will complete? If you have to complete the marathon in stadium, what will you do children? You have to take lots of round because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So you have to take 40 kilometer. How much meter you will run? So you have to run 40,000 meter. So in 40,000 meter, how many round will you take? So if you will divide 40,000 by 400, as one round is 400 meter. So when you will divide, you will get the answer 100. So if you want to take a part in marathon, you have to run 100 rounds. Did you understand children? Page number 17. The next is long jump. This is the long jump for boys. Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meters 40 centimeter. Gurjeet is second. His jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's. Gopi comes third. His jump is only 5 centimeter less than Gurjeet's jump. Now the question is, how long are Gurjeet and Gopi's jump? So children, see here, Dhanu has the longest jump of 3 meter 40 centimeter. Gurjeet's jump is 20 centimeter less than Dhanu's jump. So that means Gurjeet's jump is equal to 3 meter 40 centimeter minus 20 centimeter. So we will get 3 meter 20 centimeter. So Gopi's jump is 5 meter less than Gurjeet's jump. That is 3 meter 20 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, and you will get 3 meter 15 centimeter. That is the jump of the Gopi. Did you understand children? Now the next three, try and see how far you can jump. How far can you throw a ball? Is in that in meters. Look for a big ball like a football or a volleyball. How far can you kick it? These questions children does not have any particular answer. So you can do it by your own and you can write your own answers. Okay children? Page number 18. Here are the Indian records and world records for some jump. Find out from the tables. In first question, children, how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? So children, see here. Chandrapal jump is 2 meters 17 centimeter and the world record for high jump is 2 meter 45 centimeter. So 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeter. So we will get children 28 centimeter. Chandrapal should jump 28 centimeter higher to equal the men's world record for high jump. Okay children. Now let's move to second question. In the second question is how much centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? Remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half meter is equal to how much centimeter? So see here children, the height of a Bobby A jump is 1 meter 91 centimeter. So 2 meter minus 1 meter 91 centimeter, we will get the answer 9 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Therefore, 200 centimeter minus 191 centimeter, we will get the answer 9 centimeter. So, Bobby A should jump 9 centimeter higher to reach 2 meter as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, half meter is equal to how much children? 100 divided by 2 which is 50 centimeter. Now children, let's move to the third question. Galena's long jump is nearby how much? A. 7 meters, B. 7.5 meters or C. 8 meters. So children, see here. Galena's long jump is nearly 7.5 meter because Galena's actual height of the jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter, which is closest to 7.5 meter. Did you understand, children? Now let's move to the fourth question. Look at the women's world records. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? So children, see here. The difference between the longest jump and the highest jump in the world record is 7 meter 52 centimeter minus 2 meter 9 centimeter, which is how much? 5 meter 43 centimeter. Okay children. Now let's move to the fifth question. If Mika P could jump dash centimeters longer, his jump would be full 9 meters. So in this, Mika P long jump is 8 meter 95 centimeter, which is how much? 895 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter plus 95. So we will get 895. So 900 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. So Mika P could jump 5 centimeter longer. Okay children. Now let's move to the sixth question. In sixth question, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? A. Setka Chandrapal K, Xavier या Bobby A. So Xavier's jump is closer to 2.5 meters because 2.5 meter is 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So the closest high jump is of Xavier's. Okay children, did you understand? Page number 19. Running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. So in first question, children, they are asking how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometer? So children, see here. Devi Prasad runs to complete 2 kilometer and the boundary of the park is 400 meters. So the total number of round taken by Devi Prasad is 2 kilometer is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000, you will get 2000 meter. So 2000 divided by 400, you will get 5 rounds. Okay children. Now in the next question, they are asking, one day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day he ran dash kilometer and dash meter. So children, how many kilometer did he run? So boundary of the park is about 400 meter for one round. So how many meters for 8 rounds? For that children, 8 into 400, you will get 3200 meter. Okay children. So 3200 divided by 1000, we will get 3.2 kilometer, which is 3.2 kilometer. Did you understand children? Page number 19, second activity. How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is your classroom? Guess how many rooms one on top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. Explain how you made a guess. So children, how many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meter high. So the classroom is about 3 meters high. Suppose children, your classroom is 3 meter height and Qutub Minar is 72 meter high. So how many rooms should be made to make 72 meter high? So now the numbers of room one on the top of the other, which will be equal to the height of the Qutub Minar. Height is equal to height of the Qutub Minar minus height of the room. Therefore, 72 divided by 3, we will get 24. So, 24 rooms are to be made to bring the height equal to the Qutub Minar. Okay, children? Page number 20, next activity. From Gandhinagar to Himmatnagar. Subodh is going to Gandhinagar, which is 21 kilometers away. Manjri is going to Himmatnagar, which is 43 kilometers away in the opposite direction. So, children, how far is Gandhinagar from Himmatnagar? For this, children, Subodh is going to Gandhinagar, which is 21 kilometers away from point O. Manjri is going to Himmatnagar, which is 43 kilometers away in the opposite direction to that of Gandhinagar. So Gandhinagar is how much? 64 kilometers away from the Himmatnagar. Okay, children? Page number 20, next activity. How far is your home from school? Mahesh come to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. With slippers in his hand, he then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. How much does Mahesh walks every day to reach school? Is it more than 1 kilometer? So children, distance from Mahesh home to the pond is 400 meter. Then he walks 150 meter to through the pond. Then he runs 350 meter in wide green field. Then he crosses 40 meter wide road. Now let us add all the distance. 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40. We will get 940 meter. Okay children, so 940 meter Mahesh walks every day to reach school. Now the second is they are asking, is it more than 1 kilometer? No, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Page number 21. Next activity. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometer. Friend's name, distance of house from school. Pranesh, 2 kilometers 700 meter. Savitri, 600 meter. Amrita, 800 meter. Venugopal, 1 meter 500. 1 kilometer 500 meter. Girish, 3 meter. Sheena, 1 kilometer 400 meter. Now the first question is, who among you lives nearest to the school? Savitri lives nearest to the school. Okay, children. Now the next question is, who lives farthest from the school? Farthest means far away. So, who lives farthest from the school? Pranesh. Pranesh lives farthest from the school. Now the third question is, how many children lives less than 1 kilometer away from your school? Savitri and Amrita lives less than 1 kilometer away from the school. Okay, children. Now the fourth question is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? How do they come to school? Yes, Venugopal lives, sorry, Pranesh lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school. He comes to the school by bus. Okay, children? Page number 21. Next activity, guess and find out. How long is the thread in a reel? So children, the length of a thread in a reel depends on its size. It may be 50 meter, 100 meter, 200 meter or 500 centimeter, etc. Okay children, now let's move to the second question. How long is a string of a kite reel? Can it be more than a kilometer long? So children, the length of the string of a kite reel depends upon its size. It may be 500 meter, 100 meter, etc. Can it be more than a kilometer also along? Yes, it can be more than a kilometer in length. Okay children? Now let's move to the third question. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? So, children, the length of a single thread of which a handkerchief made may be about 100 meter. Okay, children? Page number 22. Next activity. I wish I were. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and hills. Now, children, let's move to the next activity. Try to find out. In the first activity, first question is, which is the highest building that you have seen? About how many rooms high was it? High was it? So Qutub Minar is the highest building that I have seen. It is about 26 room high. Okay children, now let's move to the second question. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than a Qutub Minar? So children, four kites can go to the height of about 330 meter. It cannot go higher than the Qutub Minar. Okay children? Now the third question is, how high can a plane fly? Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometer high? So it should be a plane can fly to the height of 5,000 meter. It cannot fly higher than the Mount Everest. Okay, children. Now the last question is, have you ever seen clouds below you? So yes, I have seen clouds below me. Okay, children. Workbook instruction. Students have to use pen, and if you want to draw something, you have to use pencil. Let's move to page number 22 in workbook. Question number 6. Do as directed. The first question is, measure the boundary using a thread and write. So children, first you have to take a thread and put the thread on the boundary of the circle. After that, take a ruler and measure the length of a thread. What will be the answer, children? It's 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so children. Question number 6. Do as directed in that second one. Sum. Measure and write the length of the lines. A1. For that, children, take a ruler and measure the length of a line. What will be the length of the line? It's 6 centimeter. Okay, children. Now let's move to the B1. In B1, children, for that again you have to take a ruler and measure the length of a line. So what will be the answer, children? It is 4 centimeter. Okay, children. Book page number 22, question number 6, third question. Student have to use pencil. Question number 3, draw the line as per the given figure. So children, take a ruler and measure the length of the line. It must be around 6.4 centimeter. Okay, children. Now let's move to the next one, is 9.3 centimeter meter. So again, children, you have to take a ruler and measure the length of a line. It will be 9.3 centimeter. Okay, children. Question number 6, fourth sum. Children have to use pencil and draw. In fourth one, draw a square of 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So students, take a ruler and draw the square of all sides 5 centimeter. Okay, now let's move to the fifth one. Draw a rectangle of 7 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So for children, take a ruler and draw the rectangle. One pair of opposite side is 7 centimeter and other pair of opposite side is 5 centimeter. Students have to write it down this question in notebook with pen. Question number 7, convert. When children you have to convert meter into centimeter, we will go for multiplication. So let's start. For that, one first sum 6 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter is equal to 6 multiplied by 100. You will get 600 centimeter. Now let's move to the second sum. 45 meter. When 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 45 meter is equal to 45 into 100. You will get 4500 centimeter. In third sum, 73 meters. When 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 73 meters is equal to how much, children? 73 into 100, you will get 7300 centimeter. Now the fourth sum is 8.4 meter. When 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then 8.4 meter is equal to how much? So for that, 8.4 multiplied by 100, you will get 840 centimeter. Now children, when you have to convert centimeter to meter, we will go for division. Okay. So first sum is 900 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 900 upon 100 meter is equal to how much, children? 9 meter. Okay. Now the second one is 5 kilometer. When 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, Then 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000 meter. You will get 5000 meter. Now in third sum, 670 centimeter. When 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, then 670 centimeter is equal to how much, children? 670 upon 100 meter, you will get 6.7 meter. Okay, children. Now let's move to the fourth sum. 2.5 kilometer. When 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 2.5 kilometer is equal to how much? So 2.5 into 1000 meter, you will get 2500 meter. Question number 7. Third question, complete the table. Children, when we have to convert meter into centimeter, we will always go for multiplication. And when we have to convert centimeter into meter, so that we will go for division. Okay, children? So let's move to the first sum. Dash meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now the second sum is 3 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So 3 into 100, you will get 300 centimeter. Now the third one is dash meter is equal to 500 centimeter. So how we will get the answer of meter? What we will do? We will divide 500 by 100. So we will get 5 meter. Now the fourth one is, to convert 50 meters into centimeter, what we will do? We will multiply. So 50 multiplied by 100, we will get 5000 centimeter. Now in fifth one, dash meter is equal to 480 centimeter. So for that, what we will do? We will divide. 480 divided by 100, we will get 4.8 meter. Now in sixth one, 5.2 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So 5.2 multiplied by 100, we will get 520 centimeter. Dash meter is equal to 740 centimeter. Now to convert this into meter, what we will do? We will divide. So 740 divided by 100, we will get 7.4 meter. In eighth one, 8.1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So 8.1 multiplied by 100, we will get 810 centimeter. Now in ninth one, 1000 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So to convert meter into kilometer, what we will do? We will divide 1000 divided by 1000. We will get 1 kilometer. Okay, children. Now in 10th one, dash meter is equal to 1.8 kilometer. So for that, what we will do? We will multiply 1.8 into 1000. We will get 1800 meter. Now 11th is 35 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So for that we will divide. 3500 divided by 1000, we will get how much? 3.5 kilometer. Now in 12th one, dash meter is equal to 4.3 kilometer. So for that we will multiply. 4.3 multiplied by 1000, we will get 4300 meter. Number 23. Question number 8. Students have to use pen and write it down in workbook. So in question number 8, fill in the table, fill in the empty space in the table and write the answer to the following question. In A1, height of which plant increased the most? So which plant height is increased most? So it's bamboo. And how much centimeter? So what will you do, children? 36 centimeter minus 20 centimeter, we will get 16 centimeter. So how much it is? 16 centimeter. Okay. Now in B1, height of which plant increased the least? Least means less. So it's definitely rose. Okay, children. And how much it is? So 32 centimeter minus 31 centimeter, we will get 1 centimeter. Okay, children. Now in C1, how much more has bamboo grown than the mango tree? How much more than has bamboo grown than the mango tree? So 16 minus 4 you will get the answer 12 centimeter. When you will divide bamboo 16 centimeter minus mango tree 4 centimeter, you will get 12 centimeter answer. Okay. Now the D1, how much less has tulsi grown than neem? So for that, what will you do? Neem 4 centimeter minus tulsi 2 centimeter. What will the answer? 2 centimeter less than tulsi grown than neem. Okay. Now in E1, what is the difference between increase in the height of tulsi and rose plant? So what will you do? 2 minus 1, you will get 1 centimeter. How? Tulsi height is how much? 2 centimeter. And what is the height of a rose? 1 centimeter. When you minus it, you will get the answer 1 centimeter. Okay, children? Page number 24. Question number 9. Students have to use pen and write it down in notebook. Means this question will be done in notebook. So in first question, what is the total distance from home to the school? So from home to the school, what is the distance? See, if I see home to temple is 5 and temple to market is 3. Market to bus station is 8 kilometer and bus station to school is 6 kilometer. Then we will plus this, we will get the answer 22 kilometer. Okay, children? Now let's move to the second sum. What is the total distance from market to the school? So for that, market to the school, market to station is 8 kilometer and bus station to school is 6 kilometer. When we will plus it, we will get the answer 14 kilometer. Okay. Now the third question is, what is the total distance from temple to bus station? So from temple to market is 3 kilometer and market to bus station is 8 kilometer. When we will plus this, we will get the answer 11 kilometer. Now in fourth one, what is the difference between the total distance from the temple to school and the total distance from bus station to school? So children, see here, temple to the school distance is 3 kilometer plus 8 kilometer plus 6 kilometer is a 17 kilometer. Okay, children. Now bus station to the school is 6 kilometer. When we will temple to the school is 17 kilometer and bus station to the school is 6 kilometer. When we will minus it, we will get 11 kilometer. So there is a difference of 11 kilometer. Okay, children. Page number 24. In 10th question, students, you have to write it down with pen in workbook. So children, in 10th question, you have to do the addition. Now let's move to the 11th question. Subtraction. In subtraction, you have to use pen and write it down in workbook. Let's move to 12th question. Word problems. Solve the problems. Students, you have to use pen and write it down in workbook. So in 12th question, 12th solve the problems. In first question is Manish is 150 centimeter tall. His sister is 117 centimeter tall. Who is taller from both and how much? So height of the Manish is 150 centimeter and height of the sister is 117 centimeter. So when we will minus it, children, we will get the height of both. So 150 minus 117 centimeter, we will get 33 centimeter. So his sister is taller than him by 33 centimeter. Okay, children. Now let's move to the second question. Second one, Suresh is 1 meter 24 centimeter tall. Meenal is 15 centimeters shorter than him. What is the total height of both of them? So children, in first step, Suresh height is 1 meter 24 centimeter and Meenal height is 15 centimeter. When we will minus it, we will get 1 meter 9 centimeter Meenal's height. Okay, so now in second step, what we will do, Suresh height is 1 meter 24 centimeter and Meenal height is 1 meter 9 centimeter. When we will add this, we will get the total height of we will get the total height. So total height will be 2 meter 33 centimeter. So the answer will be 2 meter 33 centimeter is the total height of both of them. Now in third question, Sunil is going to Ahmedabad 25 kilometer far from a place and Nareen is going to Mahesana 45 kilometer far from the same place. Both are going in opposite direction. Then what is the distance from Ahmedabad to Mahesana? So Sunil distance is 25 kilometer. Nareen distance is 45 kilometers. So total distance how much, children? When we will add, we will get the total distance. So 25 plus 45 we will get 70 kilometer. So 70 kilometer is the distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana.